is on the side enough. Gotta represent, right? Millennial moms. Woo woo. Welcome back to my channel. Oilymommy here, and we are talking about how to use essential oils, the top 4 ways. And now we are on the 3rd way that you can use an essential oil. All right, I already know right off the bat this is going to be kind of controversial within the essential oil community. Not people in doTERRA, not people in Young Living, but people from other companies that are going to have a problem with this. But that's okay. I am talking to you. You're wanting to use your essential oils in all the ways that you can. You have a trusted, good brand with a good quality of oil. You're not buying them on the shelf, you know, and they're not really oils. They're just chemicals and toxins and really bad for you. But this kind is going to have to be the purest form, the highest grade of essential oil, and that will be to use your oil internally. Yes, you heard me correctly, to use your oil internally. So, one of the big things to check for will be a supplemental fact. Supplement fact. There we go. Essential oil supplement facts. That should be on the bottle. So like this, we have OnGuard, and right here you can see supplement fact. Okay, essential oil supplement and the supplement facts. There we go. Okay, so it literally says on here, for internal use, dilute 1 drop in 4 fluid ounces of liquid. So it's already on the bottle. Make sure that it is written on the bottle, okay? Can't say that enough. I am not advocating for you going and taking oils off of shelves and dropping them in your mouth. Please don't do that, and don't come back to me because I will basically say, I told you not to do that. All right, so using your oils internally, safely internally, is going to look something like this. You take the oil, so any of your citrus oils, OnGuard is a good blend for this as well. I like to use lemon or lime or grapefruit to flavor my water, as well as it has some just wonderful properties that just help with cleansing and making you feel happy. So you can put a drop in your water, just like this. All right, I'm gonna actually use OnGuard. You can use it, woo, did you see that? That was cool. Okay, that was way more than 1 drop. I'm gonna have to get a different cup. And then you drink it. You can also use it to make like a tea. All right, so that's going to be internally. Putting oils in your water like citrus oils, that's going to be internally. You can use it to flavor food. So cilantro flavor, add some cilantro essential oil to add that wonderful cilantro flavor and some of the health benefits of cilantro essential oil to your guacamole dip. Your, you know, summertime, you're making some queso and some guac, and you want to add in a drop of cilantro. It's going to be amazing. You can use lime essential oil as well for that. So for flavoring, you can add essential oils. Oregano, rosemary, basil, thyme. I use all of these. I have like my little spice bar in my kitchen of essential oils, and I will have them in like a carrier like this, and I like to use pretty ones. I will be linking below some of my favorite like oil holders and displays so that you can have them ready to use in the area that you're going to be using it, because that is key. Because if it's not like stupid easy right in front of you, you're just not going to use it if you're anything like me. So this amazing one is made from Shades of Stone. you can see this. So know the owner, Joni, absolutely amazing. She's a sweetheart, one of my friends, and so not an ad, but definitely encouraging you to get beautiful oil displays from her. So I have one of these by my bedside, one's in my office, one's in my bathroom, one's in my kitchen, and then we have a big box that's just right there on the coffee table. And that just makes it easy so that I can just grab the oils that I need, and then I have the oils associated with the area that it's going to be in for using it. Okay, so back to how to use an essential oil. New glass of water. Okay, taking oils internally, applying it to water, applying it to warm water, making a tea to soothe your throat. If you are talking a lot, like me, or if you're a singer, or if it's that time of year and your throat's just getting dry and you want to soothe your throat, OnGuard is a great one to apply to warm water and to make a tea, to hot water. Another way to use your essential oils internally is going to be in empty vegetable capsules. Boom. Just like this. So this is what a veggie cap looks like. You can actually get this from the doTERRA website. You can also get it on Amazon. They're just empty vegetable capsules, just like this. And you take the lid off of it, because there's legit a lid. And you're going to, again, check for the supplement facts on the bottom or on the back of your bottle. Drop the oil into that little capsule. Put the lid back on and take it. It's that easy. So if you have someone who doesn't like the taste of certain oils or something, or if you just don't want to taste it, no big deal. Put it in an empty vegetable capsule and then you can get the benefits from it without having to taste it, the flavoring of it. But if you're wanting to like coat your throat, soothe your throat, making a tea, that's going to be a great way to do it with putting it in a tea, making yourself a tea with that essential oil, or putting it in water or a beer or champagne or peppermint in your coffee or your hot chocolate. Okay, you get the picture. That's taking it internally. Veggie capsules are awesome. You can put copaiba in them, you can put frankincense in them. That's just gonna help with overall reducing inflammation in the body, can help with some head tension, some anxious feelings. And then another way that you can use them internally is going to be in pre-made vegetable capsules. So like this is Triese, which is doTERRA's seasonal blend soft gels, and really easy. Your supplement facts are going to be there on the back of the bottle. All right, so that is how you can use an essential oil internally and why you would want to use it internally for specific reasons. If you don't want to use it internally, you don't have to. That's the beauty of it. Use it in one of the other ways, one of the other 4 ways that I've talked about. But, or one of the other 3 ways that I've talked about, because this is one of the 4. Yeah. All right. Hope you found value with that. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you ring that bell so that you can get notifications for when I'm dropping more videos, because I'm trying to push out videos for you so that you can start to actually have content and understanding and feel like you know what to do with your essential oils when you get them, if you're curious about them, if you're still on the fence about getting them. And subscribe somewhere around here, maybe below, I don't know, but subscribe so that you can get more content like this directly to you. And remember, how to use an essential oil, you just have to open the bottle. Till next time.